Savor the Southwest. You folks may have noticed I use this Enamelware, and I really dearly love it, and we especially like it camping because you can bounce around in the back of the truck and not break, except for that sometimes when you're out there cooking, the wind catches it and blows it, and it some of the finish may come off. So I'm going to show you how to fix this today. So first of all, you protect your counters, and second of all, you go to the dollar store, I guess, somewhere where you can get nice cheap nail polish, nail enamel, right? And you just paint it right over the broken bit. Now, why do I do this? Because basically the finish that's on there is chipped, and little tiny pieces of it could fall into your food, and little tiny pieces of it in your stomach is basically like eating a piece of glass. So don't do that. Now, would I do this on this plate that got dented? No, probably not, because I'm eating off of it. I'm gonna have to do a little more research, find out how safe it is. But this part that's the lid, that's not coming in contact with my food, the whole idea is that I'm just making sure the edges don't flake off and fall on the food. And I'm gonna flip this over and do the other side as well. And it's just nail polish, folks. It's just cheap nail polish. You know, I bet it's safe to eat. I mean, they make nail polish so and people chew on their nails. I'm gonna go ahead and treat that plate. So this stuff is really, really handy. I've also fixed a really old car of mine, white, and had some door dings that were just starting to get rusty. And I just got a little bit of rouge cloth and kind of treated the rusty bits, smoothed them down a little bit, and put some nail polish on it. And yeah, it's not quite the same white as the car, but you know what? It's better than a rusty door ding. So there we have it. Nail polish is for more than just nails. Oh, I see another spot that got a little damaged. Yeah, you do want not to get your pots hit by the wind. Your pot lids anyway. There we have it. Oh, you could go crazy. You could, I guess, paint your name on your lids if you wanted to with this stuff, because it is heat resistant. I don't want to say heat proof. I don't know that I would cook in the oven with it, but it's just fine for putting a lid on your fry pan when you're out camping. Thanks for watching. Savor the Southwest.